Hello, my name is Dhriti Nair and I've been learning this art form Bharatanatyam for the past 10 years.
Tadhim dhanna tadhim tadhim dhanna dhim tadhim dhanna.
As you all know, Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dances of our country, India, and it was anciently performed in temples by the Devdasis for the people. Eventually, as the years passed, this dance was improvised by people and they learned many new styles.
Dhriti was a very hyperactive child since her childhood, like to such an extent that even her food she used to eat while standing. She never sat, or she was always full of energy. So just to channelize her energy, we decided her that she should do something more constructive.
It was during her first birthday that I still recollect her dancing on her first birthday. She has such a good sense of tal that we decided that she should learn some classical dance form, the Indian classical dance form.
We found a very good teacher or a perfect guru for her Cypriya Miss.
So I started Bharatanatyam at the age of 6 and it was actually introduced by my parents to me. They observed that I had a lot of passion for dancing too and I could pick up rhythms very fast. Hence, they wanted to also keep me rooted to our culture and they introduced me to Bharatanatyam. Initially, when I started dancing, I was always tired and did not want to continue for past 1 hour. Eventually, as I started growing older, I understood a lot of expressions and feelings or emotions that I could express through this dance. This dance form has imbibed a lot of good things in me. One of them was a great posture and also flexibility. So most of this credit goes to my guru, Cypriya Vishwanathan, who's been teaching me since 6 years old. And she, more than a guru, she's like a friend to me. And not only has she made me a great dancer, but also a great person too.
Bharatanatyam has given her a sense of discipline and a sense of perfection. And this has become a personality, and she does not settle for anything lesser than that in everything that she does.
And that is how she developed her personality with Bharatanatyam.
If they would have not introduced me to this dance, I wouldn't know what grace is. Also, I wouldn't know what success or progress is.
Swagatam Krishna Sharanagadam Krishna Iha Swagatam Krishna Sharanagadam Krishna Iha Swagatam
6th April and we are still at our base camp. Today was our rest day and the time was, I don't know, 6:30. And this is the view around. Since childhood, sports has been a very important part of my life, and I'm an athlete too. I've done many things like gymnastics, aerobic gymnastics, aerial silk, malkham. Although one of my favorite hobbies from these are trekking or mountaineering.
At the same time, she had interest in other things. Being a hyperactive child, so swimming, she tried her hands on swimming, she won some medals there. Then she met Sunil sir for gymnastics, and there she started flourishing again.
कृति मेरे पास पिछले 12 सालों से जिम्नास्टिक्स, योगा, मलखम्ब और एरियल सिंक ये चीज़ों की प्रैक्टिस करने आती है और पिछले 12 सालों में उसने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, स्टेट लेवल और नेशनल लेवल पे बहुत सारी उपलब्धियां प्राप्त की है। वो बहुत ही होनहार मेरी ये स्टूडेंट है और अभी उसके फ्यूचर के लिए मेरी तरफ से, मेरे एकेडमी की तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के।
And at the age of 11 or so, she started trekking. She met an expedition group and she started trekking. She went for Himalayan treks. She summited a couple of peaks.
As a person, I would have never thought that I would be so in love with mountains as I am with them now. And whenever I climb a summit or top a mountain, it gives me another feeling of joy. When I climbed the summit, I could see through over all the peaks of the surrounding mountains, and the view was just mesmerizing. From then on, I realized that the city is not my place to live in, it's the mountain.
मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी यादियां।
Although I've had a lot of hard times too climbing a mountain, there was once this 80-degree slope that we had to climb, and the end seemed very near. But when we started climbing, we realized that it wasn't. And every step I took, I started to get tired with all these gears on me since it was heavy. Also, I had 3 kg weight on both of my legs. But the air there was so refreshing, and I knew that I had to climb it to the top or else I would miss a great sight. Moreover, mountains are where I created another and new family. They have not only supported me in mountains, but also in life too.
Triti is a supremely talented and extremely fit girl, very obedient in mountains, and she has scaled above 6,000 meters of altitude, peak called Gangotri 3. She has also been to many number of Himalayan treks as well as Sahyadri treks and expeditions. I wish her success in her life and many more adventures to come. Thank you.
All these things were, interlinked. Gymnastics helped her in dance. Dance made her more flexible for gymnastics. So they were interlinked. And never did we tell her that, oh, you have to score good marks in studies, because whatever she was enjoying, we wanted her to do that and develop herself more holistically than just academics.
Dhriti as a person is a very, very humble person. She's got a beautiful soul and she's a sweetheart. I mean, words are not enough to express those feelings.
She has seen life in a very rough way in her expeditions. So she has grown totally, what we dreamt of or we wanted, she has grown that as a person.
पेरेंट्सना आपल्या मुलांचं नेहमीच कौतुक असतं, तसं आम्हाला फॅमिलीला तिच्याबद्दल खूपच कौतुक आहे. पण कधी जर का तिचं एखादी अचीवमेंट असेल आणि आम्ही त्याचं सेलिब्रेशन करायचं म्हटलं तर ती म्हणते की नाही नाही हे तर काहीच नाही, मी अजून बरंच काही करायचं बाकी आहे.
Most importantly, it's my parents who have played a very important role in my life, and I would like to say a very big thank you for that. for these 17 years of my life, who have gone smoothly and amazing.
मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी यादियां मंजर है ये नया कि उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी यादियां